Come test drive this 2006 BMW 325. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a BMW are offered, including one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, and air conditioning. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.